Hey guys, so this is a bit of an experiment. So I've got we have the old DeWalt adapter. And as you know, it's very difficult to get in and out. Kind of interested. Oh, that's easy. Wow. Okay, so already points for, like, this feels flimsy, but this feels more robust. But you can never get it out. Like, it's stuck in there again. Okay, so that's the knack of that. So these, apparently, that's it, locked in. Oh, okay. Locked in, looks nice. Like, it looks the way it should look. This locks in. So this is good for the DeWalt and the Milwaukee, which I almost converted to. Kinda thinking about it. But as you guys know, it doesn't work. Apparently, this works. And that's what caught my attention. So this is this 20 for 60, which is actually 18 and that's 54 with a 6 amp battery. Also works with the 9 amp battery. So yeah. Ooh, look at how nice that looks. That was meant to be that way. So we both know. Good, good. This is not supposed to work. Wow, lots of power there. Crazy. This battery could also be dead. But yeah. Yeah, the battery's dead. Probably because I've been using it. That sounds better. Even compared to when this battery is fully charged, it sounds better. Oh, I want to change the battery. Wow, that is intense. Okay, so this. Expecting something bad to happen, but as you guys can see, it is still difficult. But it's particularly difficult when if I compare all these to this one, which is fine because it's pretty much going to live in this. So this, like, it still looks good and everything. Does everything it's supposed to. But the biggest part about all this that I hate, well, there's a couple things. If you look at it, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's on an angle. It is. Not on an angle. So why DeWalt had to make that little 15-degree slope, I do not know. I never liked it, but that's what they did. It's not really a design feature, I'll tell you that. It's what they chose. So, a couple things I don't like. A design feature, even though it is very robust. This is a bit cheaper. It does have a USB, which is 2.0 amps, 5 volts obviously, for your smartphone. That'll charge everything up.
all that being said, I'm in love with this little device, and it was half the price. So even if I do break it, I'm not really out all that much. So it works better, has more options. Oh, that's right there. 5 volt out, 2 amp. And it was compatible from DeWalt to Milwaukee. A huge win right here. So yes, everything is going to work out. This is a great little tool. I'm not sure about their design idea, but all in all, I would choose this one over the DeWalt.